Welcome to my video. Today I am going to do an underpainting with pan pastels. I guess that the pan pastels can make the drawing process so quick and also very interesting. Soft pastel drawing can be done without doing an underpainting. However, it is easier to see the whole drawing. Also, at this stage of the drawing process, we don't need to worry about the colors that we use. Actually, as you can see, I used very dark colors for skin, but in the end you will see that actual skin is light. So as I said, when doing an underpainting, we don't have to worry too much about colors that we use. I used to do an underpainting only with soft pastels, but now I use pan pastels as well. But it doesn't matter what you use because you can get the same results with both pan pastels and soft pastels. Also, I wanted to show that at the beginning the drawing can be really ugly, but if you keep on working, in the end it usually looks amazing. But if it doesn't, just keep working till it does. If you like this video and would like to see more, then please subscribe to my channel to do not miss my future videos. And if you have any suggestions, what would you like to see in my future videos, then leave a comment and let me know. As always, thanks for watching.